Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you something very special, something that I love and I will also love you to try. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on my other social media platforms at chefamors. Thank you. So today we'll be making okra soup. This is not your regular type of okra soup, okay? It has all the good things in it and it's absolutely yummy and delicious, okay? And it's very easy to make. You first start by adding your proteins. You can use any type of protein you like or mix both. It doesn't matter, you must use what I used in the video. Just use anything you have in your fridge, okay? So I've added my proteins and then I added my pepper mix, and then I'll be adding beef stock. You can use water instead. I've added my Cameroon pepper and crayfish powder. These two are equally very important in your okra soup. Very important. You can't underestimate this. So I've tasted to see if I need to adjust the seasoning or leave it like that, because I used meat stock instead of normal water. So here I've added my iru, which is the dawa. I used the powdered one. It is less this thing, and it's good because it contains dried ginger and some other spices in it. So I'm adjusting my seasoning. I'm adding some salt and some seasoning cube just to balance everything up. Give it a good mix. And then I'll be adding the blended okra. Just blend it in the blender with a little bit of water and a little bit of potash, and that's all. So I'll be mixing this just to make sure everything is well incorporated and well mixed. You don't need too much water in your okra soup. Just a little will go a long way. So here I'm adding my chopped okra inside. I don't like my okra soup too smooth. I love it to be having a little bit of chopped okra inside, not too smooth. I don't like it when it's too smooth. So you shouldn't cover your okra soup. Just let it be like that and allow it to simmer for 5 minutes, okay? Don't cover your pot. Here I'm adding my palm oil. Use a very good quality palm oil, please, because the palm oil you see nowadays in the market, I don't know what that is, but just make sure you're using the right palm oil. Don't go and eat chemicals all in the name of palm oil or good soup, okay? So just mix everything up, and then we'll be adding our final ingredient, which is my fried fish. This is a fresh fish that I got from the river when I was coming back from a friend's house. So I season it, fry it, and then I'll be adding it now. I didn't add it before because I don't want my fish to be overcooked. When it's overcooked, it will start breaking. I don't want that. That's why I'm adding it at the last stage. So here it is. You see, it's very easy to make. You can make this in little time and it's done. So you can have this okra soup with semo, eba, what again, I don't know. Yeah, there are various type of tuwon shinkafa, tuwon masara, tuwon dawa, tuwon acha, and all of what have you. So you can use this okra soup for different types of swallow, but I'm using semo for this. If you would like my semo recipe, please comment down below and I will share the recipe with you guys, inshallah. So basically that's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share my videos if you enjoy them, then Allah ku subscribing, sannan ku sharing, and turn up the bell on the right hand side of the video so that you don't miss any video from me, inshallah. And then I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.